We are pleased to show you the 2016 CRV. CRV, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player. Come take a test drive today.